First of all, we will download VS Code. Open any browser of your choice and search for VS Code. Click on the first link. Click on Download for Windows or Mac based on your operating system. The download will start once the download has been completed. Just double-click on the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions. Once VS Code has been installed, open it. Now we need to install a few extensions. Click on the Extensions button. The first extension we need to install is the C# extension, which is provided by Microsoft. Click on the Install button. Once installed, the next extension we need is the Unity extension. Simply do a search for Unity and click the Install button. The next thing we need is to set up the .NET Core SDK. Search .NET Core SDK and click the Download button. At the time of the recording, the .NET 8.0 LTS is the latest version. Download and install it. Now create a new Unity project. Head on to the Package Manager and confirm that Visual Studio Editor package is installed. If not installed, then click the Install button. The Install button should be in the same spot as the Remove button. Once the installation has been confirmed, click the Edit button in the menu bar and go to Preferences. Then choose External Tools and we will choose Visual Studio Code from the External Script Editor drop-down. Now create a new script and attach it to any game object in the hierarchy. Open the script. This will open up the script in VS Code. Once the script is open, you will see that the .NET version will start downloading. Ignore this for now. And in the start function, write a simple debug message. You can see that the VS Code autocomplete and suggestions are working. Save the script and hit the play button in the editor. You can successfully see the debug message in the console window. So VS Code has been added to Unity and you can use it to edit your scripts with autocomplete features. In case you have any queries, leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.